Dear student, today we are going to start a new topic which is acid. Yes, our chapter name is acid, base and salt. So, I will define the acid first. What is acid? My dear student, there are three popular scientists and their definitions we should study about acid. And they defined the acid, the very first definition I will give you now by the Bronsted-Lowry. Bronsted-Lowry says that acid is such type of compound which donates proton. What is proton? Understand, try to understand. See, this is hydrogen, H, correct. Now, it has one electron and one proton, correct. You just remove one electron from here. From the hydrogen, you remove one electron, then what is left? One proton, okay. So, if it has one proton, you removed one electron, then it will convert into H plus. See what happens, one electron means one minus was here, one proton means one plus was here. If you removed the minus, then what is there? Plus, so plus charge will be visible there, so H plus. This is called proton, okay. So, Bronsted-Lowry says that such compound which can donate proton, that is acid, okay. Let me give you the next definition similarly like this. Arrhenius scientist. Arrhenius also saying the same thing, but he is saying H plus ion, both are same, H plus and proton are same thing. And he is adding one more word, that if any compound is giving H plus ion in solution, then that is called acid. Same thing. See, and if you talk about the base, then just reverse it, but we will not discuss base here, okay. So, Arrhenius theory of acids and bases states that an acid generates H plus ion in solution. That is it. The base part we will study separately, no need to worry about that. So, Arrhenius theory says that acid is such type of compound which can generate H plus ion in the solution, okay. Now, the third one about the Lewis, that how Lewis defined the acid, let me show you now. Lewis definition of acid is electron pair acceptor, they are acid. See how. What happens actually? Suppose NH3 and BF3, okay. NH3 has lone pair. What NH3 does? NH3 donates lone pair to the BF3, okay. NH3 will donate lone pair to the BF3. It happens in the bonding and all. So, electron pair acceptor, who is accepting electron? BF3. So, BF3 is La, La means Lewis acid, and NH3 is donating electron. So, NH3 is Lb, Lb means Lewis base. I hope you understood. This is very simple, my dear student. Now, let me show you some examples of acid. Like first example, if I take HCl, this is hydrochloric acid, okay. Or you can take the example of H2SO4, H2SO4. So, how H2SO4 looks like? It is S double bond O, OH and OH, correct. Okay, this is the sulfuric acid formula, H2SO4. Now, see what happens, there is a word known as basicity. For acid, we define basicity. For base, we define acidity, just opposite type, okay. So, this is acid. For acid, what we define? Basicity. What is basicity of H2SO4? Basicity means number of replaceable hydrogen atom. See, this hydrogen is replaceable, this hydrogen is replaceable. So, how many hydrogen atoms replaceable you can find here? 2. So, H2SO4 has basicity 2, and H2SO4 is acid. What is the name of this acid? Sulfuric acid, okay. Next, if you talk about H3PO4, H3PO4, then the structure of H3PO4 is P, OH, OH, OH. Correct? How many replaceable hydrogens? 1, 2, 3. So, what is the basicity of H3PO4? That is 3. Basicity of H3PO4 is 3. Okay. Now, if you talk about the H3PO3 is acid, actually this is H3PO4, this is H2SO4, and one is H3PO3. There are so many acids, my dear students, so many acids, not 1, 2, uncountable. Okay. So, acid is such type of substance which can donate H plus to someone, or which can donate the proton, okay, or which can accept the lone pair. These type of compounds come under the acid category. I hope you understood this. Thank you.